We invite you to buy new emblems for the steering wheel. The emblems contain the Tiburon or Tuscani logo. This is a very nice tuning for your car. We are selling number 6. Our emblems are not printed on a 3D printer. They do not have ugly edges and ugly workmanship. Our emblems are of the highest quality. We make them on metal sheet. That is why our emblems shine. Our emblems are glued to the original logo. There is no need to dismantle the steering wheel. For this reason, our sticker must be very thin. Thanks to this, it does not stick out and looks nice on the steering wheel.